So neuter is the same as sterilization of animal birth control. Another thing that we're trying to prevent is mange. So mange is scabies, which we see in children. That also happens in dogs. You commonly see mange in the market where dogs have no hair on their body or just scabs form. That is also what we call as a zoonotic disease, which can be transmitted from animals to people. So again, we are protecting people by treating these dogs and helping those dogs not to spread zoonotic diseases such as mange or even leptospira, for example. So while we can do two major things, eliminate rabies from the state by mass vaccinating, we are also controlling the dog population by doing animal birth control surgeries. Okay? And while doing all of that, we're improving the welfare of the animals by treating them with wounds, fractures, accidents, zoonotic diseases and cancers. I urge people around to motivate their panchayats to apply for these government fundings. The government is working with WBS and Mission Rabies and encouraging us to provide this service for the community so that we have a safer and a rabies-free world.
25. To declare rabies freedom, we have to have 0 canine cases for at least 2 years. And to do that, we need to continue vaccinating for several more years. So we expect to have eliminated rabies by 2023, and then 2 years of no cases. So 2025, we can apply for rabies freedom status from the World Animal Health Organization. So we're aiming for 2025, but 0 human deaths. We hope this year. There have been no human deaths this year so far in Goa, but certainly by 2020, we expect to be free from human deaths from rabies. So we're working towards 2020, no human deaths, 2023, no canine cases, and in 2025, rabies freedom, internationally recognised rabies freedom status in Goa.
One is about the sterilization we talked about. In this, we have to thank the government of Goa as well, especially the Minister of Animal Husbandry. He is very keen, in addition to the ongoing animal rescue scheme, to do the sterilizations in a smaller way. The minister is very keen to do it in a bigger way, to sterilize 50,000 dogs per year. So he has requested us to give a proposal, and my colleague has given a proposal for that, and it is under process. That is, we have to thank the Minister of Animal Husbandry especially. I take this opportunity to thank him because he has come out with some remedy to do that in a bigger way, which is going on now. That is one news for you. The second one, when Dr. Andy spoke to you, he mentioned about the pet ownership.